Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And a while back I made a video about a program called Name It. And he asked, well, how do you do it if you don't have Name It? And there is a way inside of Corel, but unless you have hundreds to do or pages to do, it's easier just to take 12 numbers and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if you'll put a space and actually put 10, 11, and then 12. And if you will go take these numbers now and then make them whatever size you think you need to make them to look good. Go Control K to break them apart. And sometimes they don't all break apart, so just go Control K again. Now, sometimes it'll break these numbers in two, but it didn't. And then it's so easy. If you have Snap to objects on, you can put these numbers inside the center way before you could have print merge and all the kinds of things you need. Now, granted, if you had hundreds of them and pages of them to do, I would learn how to do print merge, or I would actually Name It, buy Box It, but they've really made it easy. And, because we're on this end, we'll go ahead and go 12. It's snapping it to the center of the box because it's finding the center of each box. Now on this, I put an 8 twice. Now granted, I only had 12 to do, but you could, just make it a little different. Let's say you have, you don't want them in the center of the box. How are you going to do that? Well, take you a guideline and put it, like right there, and bring you another guideline in like right there or wherever you want it. Now these boxes are 3 inches apart. Set your nudge factor for 3 inches. Take your guideline, Control D and make a duplicate. I didn't Control D. Make it a duplicate, and then that guideline's in the exact same spot. And then go to make sure you have, I would actually take off Snap to Objects off and Snap to Guidelines. And let's take this 1 and have it snap to that intersection. Snap to that intersection. The 12 might not quite fit, and I don't have one at the bottom yet. There's the intersection. So really pretty fast, pretty easy using Snap to, and there's my 8 again. And I'm not putting them in any order, but see how it goes to intersection. So let's zoom in here and just look, we'll see what it says. When you're moving it, if you'll get pretty close to that 4-point corner, see it says blue, you could have it stop right there. But if you want it in the center, there's intersection. It's telling you edge, intersection of those two lines. So unless you have like a lot of them to do, I find that by the time you get that set up, you're already done. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.